Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken chashu using microwave. It's really easy and it's great for ramen topping, rice topping, and even for pizza topping. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this chicken chashu, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken thigh, 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons each of oyster sauce, soy sauce, mirin, sake and honey, and 1 teaspoon each of grated garlic and ginger. At first, I'm going to boil the eggs. Make small cracks at the bottom of the eggs. Pointy side, round side, on this side. Add some water, about halfway up the eggs. Put the lid on and just bring it to boil. In the meantime, let's put all the seasoning in a bowl that you can microwave. 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon each of grated garlic and ginger. And just give it a mix. Eggs are boiling. Turn the heat to low and set the timer for 7 minutes. Cook for 7 minutes. Let's take them in ice water to stop cooking. Now, let's get to the chicken. I'm going to make it with the skin on today, but I want to remove all the fat. So trim off all the fat. And, using fork, stab on the skin side. Then into the bowl of sauce. Same for the other chicken. Give it a quick toss to make sure the chicken is all coated with the sauce. Cover it with plastic film and let's microwave. I did 5 minutes at 800 watts. Flip them over. Cover it with a plastic film. And let's do another 4 to 5 minutes. I did 4 minutes and it looks like it's cooked through. I don't see any pink area, and when I press it down, it bounced back. That means it's cooked. Let's put the boiled eggs. Shell removed already. Cover it with plastic film. Cool it down to room temperature and let it sit at least for a few hours, overnight if possible, in the fridge. I left it in the fridge overnight. I'm going to reheat it before I eat. Because it's been chilled, all the fat from the chicken is coagulated. If you want to make it healthier, you can remove all the fat. If you want to make it yummier, you can leave it in. Today I'm going to make it yummier. Before you microwave, remove all the eggs because they might explode. plastic film back on. This time 1 to 2 minutes just to reheat it. Let's put the eggs back in to melt the fat around them. Cut the chicken into slices and eggs into half, and don't forget to put some sauce. This is optional, but some sliced green onion, sesame seeds, chili strips, and chicken chashu using microwave is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。By leaving it for a few hours to overnight, the sauce goes deep into the chicken and it's so good. Let's try some egg too. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Chicken chashu is main, so you can put it here, but I want to make it in donburi, so let's put it on top of rice. Eggplant miso soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about green beans with garlic butter soy sauce for one of them, and some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!